Alright guys, there's some big news in the world of DJI drones. One has to do with the modification of the Spark drone, and the other is the highly anticipated Mavic 2 announcement date, coming up in this video. Alright guys, I'm going to talk about the Mavic 2 because I know that's what everyone wants to hear. So stick around this video to the end and we're going to talk about it. But first let's talk about the Spark. So the Spark drone has been one of DJI's most popular drones because of the price point, because of what it's capable of doing. So they teamed up with this Japanese manufacturer company called Lion Friends. Lion Friends is a company that got popular for making emojis that you can use on your phone, and then now they have retail stores where you can actually buy like teddy bears and little different all sorts of bears and little emoji icons that are part of that company's brand. So I guess brown is the new black because Lion Friends has this popular icon of this brown bear, and so they're putting it on the Spark drone. So basically the Spark drone is this brown poo-poo flavored bear. I don't know why I said poo-poo, but anyhow, in addition to that, the controller also has a little bear on it. So it's basically the same Spark drone with a little bear emoji. So if you're into the whole Lion Friends bear emoji, or just want something that's a little more fun, a little cooler to show off, this is the drone for you. Now, as you know, the Spark drone is a popular drone because you can fly it and land it in your hand, which you really shouldn't do with other DJI drones, but the Spark drone is actually safe to do. You can also fly it indoors. It has propeller guards so you can bounce it off the walls. You're not going to hit something. It's also very durable because it's all one piece, unlike other DJI drones. It has the capability of shooting 1080 video, 12 megapixel photos, goes about 1 mile, flies for up to about 15 minutes. So people really like this drone. And of course it has the obstacle avoidance, active track, and all the intelligent flight modes as the much larger DJI drones, which is why it's so popular. So if you want to buy this new Spark drone, I have a link in the description below. You can buy it online today. Alright, now let's get into the most important information, the Mavic 2 news. So originally the See the Big Picture event was supposed to be scheduled in July in New York City for the Mavic 2. Alright, so according to an anonymous source, this event has been rescheduled for August 23rd.
Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days.
We can then get our hands on the Mavic 2, I would think, by sometime in September.
Hola, ¿cómo están? No se olviden de suscribirse al canal de mi amigo, darle like, comentar y compartir con todos sus amigos en Facebook, Instagram y todas las redes sociales. Tiene unas fotos increíbles y va a estar colgando más videos de los viajes, así que no se lo pueden perder. Les mando un beso.
Ya tú sabes.